Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you're ready, because today's video is next level. I'm about to show you a YouTube channel that's completely crushing it right now. This isn't just some random channel. This one is getting unlimited views. Yes, you heard me, unlimited. That means every single video they post goes viral. We're talking about millions of views, video after video. It's like boom, upload, and within hours, the views are flying like crazy. Oh my god. It's actually insane how well this channel is performing. And the best part? They're not using complicated setups or expensive gear. It's simple. Smart content that's working like magic. So in today's video, I'll break down everything. What kind of content they're posting, how their thumbnails and titles are grabbing attention, what niche they've tapped into, and how you can copy this exact strategy to grow your own channel fast. Whether you're just starting your channel or already uploading but struggling with reach, this video could change the game for you. So make sure you don't skip a second and watch till the end, because I'll be sharing all the tips, tools, and techniques you need to go viral too. And hey, if you're excited already, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button. Drop a comment if you've ever dreamed of going viral. And don't forget to subscribe, because I drop videos like this every single week. Let's dive in and see how this viral machine of a channel is making waves on YouTube, and how you can too. Just come into ChatGPT, paste the screenshot, and simply write these lines. I want to generate this type of animated video. Please give me 10 prompts and make sure the same but even cuter characters are included. Right after that, ChatGPT will create an amazing set of prompts for you, ready to use, detailed and perfectly designed for animation. These prompts are like pure magic. You can take them, generate super cute pictures, and then turn those pictures into a full HD, realistic animated video within minutes. The beauty of ChatGPT is that it removes all the hard work of imagination. Instead of spending hours trying to think of creative scenes, characters, or backgrounds, you just type your request, and ChatGPT gives you professional-level prompts instantly. Every detail is included: character expressions, clothing, background setting, camera angle, lighting, and even cinematic style. And here is the best part. You are not limited to just one style. You can ask ChatGPT to make characters even cuter, more realistic, or more cartoonish, whatever suits your project. Each time you ask, it generates fresh and unique prompts, so your videos never look boring or repetitive. This is why so many creators are now using ChatGPT to power their YouTube channels and animated content. It is fast, it is simple, and the results are unbelievable. Imagine creating entire animated stories, shorts, or reels in HD quality without needing a big team or expensive software. ChatGPT is more than just a tool, it is your creative partner. It helps you brainstorm, design, and build content that actually grabs attention. Whether you are making kids' stories, motivational shorts, or cute viral clips, ChatGPT can give you the perfect prompts to make your videos stand out. So do not wait. Start experimenting today. The next viral video could be yours, and all you need is a single screenshot and a few words inside ChatGPT. The results will surprise you every time. Now it's time to create the boom. Yes, it's time to create AI images, and this part is super important. For all my AI image needs, I always rely on Pixelman AI. Why? Because it's simple, powerful, and delivers results that look absolutely mind-blowing. Here's the best part. The moment you log into Pixelman AI, it gives you 10 free credits every single day. That means you can generate 10 high-quality images for free every day without paying a single dollar. Isn't that amazing? Man, it's like having a professional design studio in your pocket, available 24/7. And let me tell you, it's not complicated at all. You don't need to be a pro, you don't need to learn special skills, and you definitely don't need to waste hours. Just paste your prompt, select your size and settings, and boom! The image is ready in seconds. Now here comes the real magic. No watermark, no quality drop, and no hidden tricks. The images are always crystal clear, ultra sharp, and full HD. Every time I use it, I'm shocked by how professional the results look. It's like magic unfolding right in front of my eyes. I've tested it many times, and guess what? The quality never changes. It's always the same top-level, realistic, and animated style with no compromise at all. Whether you're making images for videos, thumbnails, or creative projects, Pixelman delivers consistency every single time. That's why I keep saying it's amazing. You don't just get random AI pictures, you get images that look so realistic and polished that they can easily be used in professional animated videos. Imagine turning simple words into stunning visuals without paying extra money or spending hours editing. That's the power of Pixelman AI. So whenever I think about AI images, only one word comes to my mind. Boom! Fast, easy, free, and unbelievably high quality. Once you try it, you'll never want to go back to any other tool. Now let's come to another amazing website. And yes, it's totally free. The name of this powerful tool is Flow, and I'll share the official link in the description below. Now, you might be wondering, why am I calling it completely free? Well, just follow these simple steps with me. First, click on Create, then sign in using any Gmail ID. Once you log in, Flow instantly gives you free credits, which are enough to create 4 to 5 AI videos per day. And here's the best trick. When your credits finish, just log in with another Gmail account and boom, you get fresh credits again. That means you can create unlimited videos every single day without spending a single penny. Now let's move to the fun part, the AI generation. Just copy any prompt from ChatGPT, like your story or idea, then go to Flow and paste the prompt inside the text box. After that, choose the model named Veo3 Fast, because it's one of the best performing free models available here. Then simply click on Generate Video and wait for just a minute. Yes, not an hour, not half an hour, only 1 minute. And your video is ready, automatically animated with a beautiful 2D animated style. Trust me, the results are absolutely unbelievable. Smooth animation, natural motion, and eye-catching visuals, all generated completely free with Flow AI. I tried again using a different prompt, pasted it, clicked Generate, and within seconds, boom! Another stunning video was ready. It's just mind-blowing how fast and powerful this free tool is. So don't worry about complicated editing or expensive tools anymore. Just use Flow AI, and you can easily make professional quality 2D animated videos in minutes. Perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, or storytelling channels.